I'm out here in our north driveway and I need to water quite a few plants here because they are very thirsty and they are parched. So you could join me. I have this water hose that's about, the source is about 12 meters away from me. That's why I had to pull all the hose I can pull, and it's actually almost to maximum, just enough for me to be able to water the plants here. You can see that they are really sad now. It's been a pretty warm day yesterday and today as well. And on my way out this morning, I saw these ones wilting. So as usual, when you see a wilting plant, you are going to have to water them, of course. This one as well. The leaves look really sad. They are in pots, so you'll expect that they will easily get stressed by the heat. I'm starting to think of putting them in the ground, but I have to see how I go. I have to figure out how to do that. Maybe just punch a hole underneath, remove the bottom of the pot and then let it sit there so the roots can go straight down into the ground without having to remove the pot itself. This one here, what I'm watering is the Clematis armandii apple blossom. One of my favorite clematis because you don't have to prune them, just let them grow. You only prune them if they are going in a location that you don't want them to. You can pull them back or you can trim them. But you don't need to prune them. There is no pruning regimen for this kind of clematis. Usually when I water, I don't water super thoroughly in one location. I water a little bit, let it go through a little bit, and then go back and water thoroughly. This one here is a Clematis montana maline. The time that they flower is during spring. They flower profusely, so you'd have a whole heap of pink, light pink flowers across here, and they smell real nice. It is very similar to the Clematis armandii, wherein you don't need to prune them for the winter. You don't need to have a special pruning method for it so that it will flower. What I'm watering right now is I forgot. Oh, Pieris Christmas cheer. It's really sad now because one branch is practically dead, and this one is practically weeds and alpine phlox with a sprinkling of these small flowers. I forgot again what the names were. And I have here as well a help me here. I'm thinking, guys. Oh, there's a tag. Yay. Yay for tags. There you go. It's a camellia. This one is a camellia volunteer, and this one is a camellia Margaret Davis. And then I have here another Clematis, camellia volunteer as well. Now I'm back to watering the Clematis armandii in this pot here. in this driveway over here, I would have a couple of different kinds of ground cover. One would be this one here. It is snow in the summer, the one with the silvery leaves. And this one is something that's self-seeded. It's a valerian, this one up here. And I also have those little, I can't recall the names, guys, but I'll let you know when I find out what the names are. But they are very small flowers. I'll pick one and I'll show you because one of you might be able to help me, because this is the kind of flower that's growing over there. Yeah, there, that one. And then show you this flower there. Can you? They're very pretty little flowers, and apparently they have a very mild sweet scent. Oh, there's the name, Sweet Alyssum. That's the name. I have planted a few here, and they also self-seed, so I would have a smattering every now and again. But I need to clean this up. I think that will be my next little job. Clean this whole area up and leave the Sweet Alyssums, the alpine phlox, and the, what was the other one that I said, guys? Oh, the snow in summer. Snow in summer, well, obviously, they would flower during early summer to midsummer, but they got smothered by weeds. What I'm watering are weeds. No, I'm watering these ones, the camellias. And I'm watering this Pieris here, hoping that it will come up again. And I'll water this one again. The Clematis montana Maline. Okay, and for a final thing would be the clematis that's here, and directly above me would be my kiwi fruit. And this is another Pieris Christmas cheer. I think that's about it. Thank you guys for joining me in the watering of my north driveway little patch here. It needs a little bit of work, not a little, a lot of work, because there's so many weeds growing along the path there. But yeah, I'll let you join me once I start weeding that. All I needed to do today was to water the plants that were wilting and giving a little bit of a drink to the other plants that are here. Thank you guys for joining me. Until next.